She's running really good, but she still has a little bit of carburetor problem, and it has a bit of a high stall for some reason. Oops. Shouldn't have done that. Oh well. Now I got to fine tune the carb. And I may even put on the big 33 and say fuck it. Let's see what it does. Because I already got the clutch on there. I've got my beat up uni filter on here for... That's on here so keep gas from dripping into the clutch, which I should have thought of, but I was too busy trying to get it to run. There's a water pump. It's got a neat little red dot on it. Look at that. So Project Dio is getting closer. I really need to bite the bullet and put all the hardware on it. Maybe even get a licensed. Gotta fight with the wife for fucking 10 years to get a moped license. But we can't afford that. We can afford that. But I can buy a new $30,000 car. But we can't afford that. Yeah, sure. Wait till I buy my $90,000 car and just bring it home and tell you. Oh, by the way, I went out to buy some milk and cigarettes, and I brought a Dodge Viper home. That's the way it should be, right, guys? Rock on.